Massive fire at Petrojam, Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Firefighters are conducting cooling down operations at Petrojam Oil Refinery on Spanish Town Road. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Firefighters are conducting cooling down operations at Petrojam Oil Refinery on Spanish Town Road in Kingston after reports that 3 heat exchange caught fire Tuesday evening. Head of the Kingston Western Police Division, Michael Phillips, who was on the scene to provide crowd control where necessary, told reporters that the fire from 2 of the exchangers were already extinguished and the firefighters were working on the 3rd one.
Alright, so our information is that 3 exchangers caught fire here at Petrojam, and the team quickly got into action where they have extinguished 2 of the fire and are on the 3rd fire, putting that one out as well. It's not as serious as we are hearing from some persons really. It's now under control based on our information. Nobody was injured based on the reports coming to us. So we are just here to make sure that if there is any need for crowd control or anything, we will respond. But it's usually the firefighters who are at the front of what is happening here now. Well, I heard the term exchangers, which is the valves that are used to transport the different fuel types. No detailed information around whatsoever may have transpired, really.
If I escape and then thing there, see, the whole of garbage drive burned down. Watch it. Watch fire. Watch Petrojam fire. Look for fire. If it's a fire, ever escape on garbage drive. The whole place burned down.
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. Thanks for watching.